Hey lovelies, welcome back to another vlog. I hope you guys are doing okay. We are headed back at home. We are coming from Kisumu and I thought I could start a vlog right here as we are driving back at home. We traveled with the babies for a quiet family time and we are going back at home, just enjoying the views on the road. Yes, by the way, this is on your way from Kisumu to Kakamega, and this is how it looks. It has been a very long time since you guys last saw me on YouTube, and promised to be back. I promise to be consistent. I have so many videos packed up for you guys, and yeah, let's dive into the video. By the way, you'll be seeing more of traveling videos because my hubby finally got again and we can travel around. Mali was sleeping behind the car all the way from Kisumu. Next day on Saturday we woke up, the baby was hungry. I had to give him a little bit of mango so he could calm down as I start preparing breakfast. Today is one of the perfect Saturdays that feels like a gentle hug from nature. The sky is brilliant blue with not a cloud in sight, and the golden rays dancing on the greeny leaves, creating a shimmering canopy. Oh my goodness. This is Rocky and her baby. I gave out the other ones. Also, we started keeping chickens. Yeah. Hello. We have chickens. Look at them. And this is where we burn our trash. Plastics, anything plastics, papers, anything that can be burnt. This is where we do that. It's lunchtime. I prepared the delicious meal, spaghetti plus potatoes. Yeah, I wish I had shown you guys the recipe, but you start cooking. You cook separately, then you mix. You start by frying potatoes, then you make potato stew, then you mix spaghetti after washing it in cold water. Yes, and I go ahead to serve myself with tea because my goal is to gain as much weight as I can. As you can see, guys, I've really tried and I'm really eating as much as I can. Please give me tips. How can I gain weight? That is my current goal. I really want to gain weight, especially on my glutes. But I'm really getting on it. You can see it's coming out well. It's on a Saturday and they don't have a nanny. I have to dust the house and clean around, and yeah, that is what you're going to do. I'm starting with the living room. I start by cleaning around, clean all the seats, then we go on the floor. As usual, I mop my floors with hot water. This time I used white vinegar Then I will add in jig with a softener, a fabric softener, just to make it smell good. You see my hubby moving around. It's almost really nice. He's around. Yeah, I start by mopping on the floors as I move those seats. Then I try to put this template, pink template screen. And yeah, as I was mopping, I wanted you guys to enjoy that one. Quickly, I gave Itty a shower and he likes doing this. I don't know why. He knows how to make me smile. This little guy knows how to make me smile. Anyway, I use powder and this body oil only on his body. And that is him after. Stop! And we have a quick snack. A quick snack is, I know it in Swahili it's called tomoko, and it's a native to so soft. Yeah, if you know the name in English, please comment down below. Careful, Mama, you don't cut yourself. Careful. Mighty joined me. He likes to eat. This way he likes eating, and I really like his appetite. We start devouring that food. Hey, then I went outside and I continued doing laundry.
The next day.
Today I'll be cleaning in the bedroom. I start by drawing the curtains, then I'll spread the bed. I don't like that duvet's cover. I like white things and I normally hide it, so I'm just folding it to go and hide it in the wardrobe. Also, I had previously changed the bed sheets, so I didn't show you guys, but I had changed them. They are clean. Yeah. The baby, but I got it for this purpose. Yes, and it's actually from Qatar Airways. Wow, I was so happy to see that. Anyway, this is what I'm wearing, black and brown. And yes, it's such a beautiful Sunday morning, and I had done some laundry outside, as you can see. I've done some laundry, that is the laundry that I was doing outside, and I had hanged it out. And yes, nowadays I've learned how to balance laundry and work. I go ahead to continue cleaning, finish cleaning clean. I don't like my wardrobes open, and I like it this clean. Look at that. Wow, so clean. You know, when my bedroom is clean, my mind is clean, everything around me is clean. Generally, when my house is clean, my mind is clean. That's why I clean every time. Yes. And you remember that building that used to make noise? Yes, that is their final product. It looks nice. And this is just Night here playing with his favorite striker. Look at him. He's so tiny. He'll never be tiny like this again. Okay, so I go to the kitchen. I started preparing chapatis. And yes, if you know that song, if you know those moves, you know the song I was dancing to. So na 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 anyway, I was cooking chapatis, and this is the oil I'm using. I first start by drying chapatis. By drying, I mean I put chapatis on the pan, cook dry on both sides, put it aside, do that to the rest of that, then I will put oil after I'm done drying chapatis. You understand? Yeah, that is what I mean. You see, now that putting oil, I'm done with the chapatis. See, so I finished, and I'm just cleaning the place I was making chapatis from. I also go ahead to clean the cocoa stove. It normally gets food stuck inside there, so I'm just opening that up and cleaning it. To make work easier while cleaning, I normally like to start with the countertops. I like to see my countertops clear as I clean. Also, the stoves behind me should be clean. That is how you easily get over that overwhelming feeling of not wanting to do your utensils or leaving your utensils behind. So after finishing to cook, I wash everything that I've used to cook, then I'll continue with the rest of the things. This helps me, really helps me, that when it comes to another time I want to cook, I just get in the kitchen and start cooking. That makes my work really easier. Yeah,
I don't want to see anything on my
clothes.
I don't want to see things packed up or
And
built up.
it's time to eat. This is the happy time. It's time to relax and eat. I start by pinching small pieces on my plate as I'm going to add dengue stew. I made dengue stew. Yes, that is me tasting my chapati. Look at that. Remember my goal? To gain weight, and this is the way to. We are heading outside to have dinner outside. My hubby is driving out today. I'm sitting behind, Mali is sitting in front. You're hoping that Mali will get his car seat, so he'll be sitting behind with his brother. And yes. So we decided as parents we'll be taking our kids at least once in a week, Saturdays, Sundays, outside. They go experience the outside life, and yeah. This was around 7:30, almost 8, and we are heading outside in this countryside. Where will we find a restaurant? Anyway, we go ahead searching for a restaurant. Fortunately, we got this one that was still open, but still for another day. And this is Mali, Daddy, and Mighty. We really hard fun. I hope you enjoy. Bye.